And John Carro, you're a veteran trial attorney. This man seems credible to me, and every one of his answers, he's been specific. He just has an air of credibility about him. Where's he headed?
Well, he's very believable, I'll agree, but I haven't made the connection yet, and he hasn't said anything that's earth-shattering. I think this is setting the table for another witness.
Well, I tend to agree with you, but I can tell this much. I took a look at Rick Tabish, and he is not happy in that courtroom. When he saw this witness walk in and take the stand, his whole demeanor changed. So I bet my bottom dollar that this witness has some dynamite testimony, and I can tell you where I think it's headed. He's describing issues regarding Leo Casey, and you know Tabish is accused of beating him brutally with a phone book over getting into a particular type of business, the sandpit business. Very, very lucrative, big money in that business. And here this witness, very credible witness, placing him with the alleged victim out at a sandpit business.
Right. It's setting the table with a very good witness, establishing a relationship or that Tabish was perhaps leaning on him. Something was going on. The pressuring was starting at that point. The connection is not made yet, but we're definitely leading in that direction. I
see it building, and you couldn't ask for a better witness. In fact, have you noticed the defense is not even bothering to object? And the prosecution has had to lead this witness, almost cross-examine him, bringing him along. I don't know why the prosecutor just doesn't say what happened instead of this series of very intricate questions.
Well, when you have the hard-of-hearing witness, it's always very frustrating because on cross, he's got, what was that, what was that, what was that, and he'll get away with it, this witness. And I
guarantee the jury will hold it against whichever lawyer badgers this very likable witness. John Carro, a veteran trial attorney, you are no stranger to a courtroom. I want to thank you for watching this testimony live with us today and fitting us into your trial schedule.
Pleasure.
Thanks, John. Everyone, that's all the time we have for today, but be sure to stay tuned for the rest of the trial coverage. We are bringing you witnesses live as they take place, and of course, Catherine Cryer is coming up next at 1 o'clock. And remember, you will not miss any live testimony. We'll bring it to you immediately, a playback, as soon as Catherine completes Cryer today. I'm Nancy Grace, but I'll see you tonight at 6 o'clock Eastern on Pros and Cons. Tonight we have the story of a decorated Marine who will be court-martialed after a rescue mission goes desperately wrong. And when the courthouse closes down and the lights go dark in the Binion trial, we hit the street to bring you the latest with the inside players on Las Vegas versus Sandy Murphy and Rick Tabish. Thanks for watching the trial with me today. Stay tuned for Catherine.